If you want to get a good quality Mustang accessories according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have FANMATS 13010 SMU Car Mat Set. The FANMATS 13010 SMU Car Mat Set is an excellent investment for any SMU fan. The mats are made of high-quality materials and are designed to fit perfectly in most vehicles. The set includes 2 front mats and 2 rear mats, all of which feature the SMU logo in vibrant colors. These mats not only provide protection for your vehicle's floors but also add a touch of personalization and team spirit to your car. The mats are easy to clean and maintain, making them a practical choice for everyday use. Overall, I highly recommend the FANMATS 13010 SMU Car Mat Set for any SMU fan looking to show off their team pride while keeping their vehicle's floors clean and protected. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the DNA Motoring HLOH FM99BK Clone Housing Headlights. The DNA Motoring HLOH FM99BK Clone Housing Headlights are a great upgrade for any Ford Mustang owner. These headlights come with black housing and clear lenses, which give your Mustang a sleek and modern look. The headlights are also easy to install and fit perfectly into your vehicle's factory headlight assembly. The clear lenses provide better visibility and illumination, which makes driving at night safer and more comfortable. Additionally, the durable construction of these headlights ensures that they will last for years to come. Overall, I highly recommend the DNA Motoring HLOH FM99BK Clone Housing Headlights for any Mustang owner looking to upgrade their vehicle's look and functionality. The number 3 position is held by Ford Mustang Parking Only Sign Black. The Ford Mustang Parking Only Sign Black is a great addition to any Mustang enthusiast garage or driveway. This sign is made of high-quality materials, which ensures durability and longevity. The sign features bold white letters on a black background, which makes it easy to read from a distance. The Ford Mustang Parking Only Inch message adds a touch of personalization to your parking space, while also deterring others from parking in your designated spot. The sign is easy to install and comes with pre-drilled holes, making it easy to mount on a wall or fence. Overall, I highly recommend the Ford Mustang Parking Only Sign Black for any Mustang fan looking to show off their love for their vehicle while also adding a touch of style to their parking space. Next at number 4, Husky Liners Weatherbeater 99371. The Husky Liners Weatherbeater 99371 floor mats are a must-have for any vehicle owner looking to protect their floors from dirt, mud, snow, and spills. These floor mats are designed to fit perfectly in most cars, trucks, and SUV, and they feature a unique form-fit design that conforms to the contours of your vehicle's floor for a snug and secure fit. The mats are made of high-quality materials that are both durable and easy to clean, making them perfect for everyday use. The Weatherbeater design features a raised lip that keeps spills and debris contained, preventing them from seeping into your vehicle's carpet. The mats also come with a lifetime warranty, which gives you peace of mind knowing that you are making a smart investment in your vehicle's protection. Overall, I highly recommend the Husky Liners Weatherbeater 99371 floor mats for anyone looking for reliable and effective floor protection for their vehicle. Finally, the number 5 position is held by DB Electrical Alternator Compatible 1994 3.8L 232 V6. The DB Electrical Alternator compatible with the 1994 3.8L 232 V6 is an excellent choice for anyone looking to replace their old or faulty alternator. This alternator is built to meet or exceed OEM specifications, ensuring that it will perform at the same level as the original part. It is also compatible with a range of vehicles, making it a versatile option for those who own multiple cars. The alternator is designed with high-quality materials and features a durable construction, ensuring its longevity and reliability. The installation process is easy and straightforward, and the alternator comes with everything needed for a smooth installation. Overall, I highly recommend the DB Electrical Alternator compatible with the 1994 3.8L 232 V6 or anyone looking for a high-quality replacement alternator that offers reliable performance and durability. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.